In this video we will discuss about deleting the file or folder from the hard disk using file handling. The OS module need to be imported for file operations. A file can be deleted using the remove method. We can check or verify if a file is present at a particular location on the disk by using os.path.exists with the file name or file name with complete path in parenthesis. The syntax for deleting the file is os.remove with the file name or file name with complete path in parenthesis. To remove a directory or folder, we need to use the rmdir method. The syntax for removing a folder is os.rmdir with the relative path of the directory name or directory name with complete path in parenthesis. A folder or directory can be deleted only when there is no file is present in the directory. If the directory is not empty, it will throw an error message. Let's test the deletion of a file or directory using a program. For file handling we need to use the OS module as import OS. An if condition is used to check if the file named testfile1.txt is present in the same directory, or not using the os.path.exists method. Adding print statement. If the file is present, then use the os.remove method to delete the file. If the file to be deleted is not found, then the program control will go to the else block and prints the output as file don't exists. When executed, it prints the output as removing the file, as the file was previously present in the directory. After the program execution, the file has now been deleted. Executing the program again without making any changes. This time it prints the output as file don't exists as the file was already deleted in the previous step. Next we will try to remove a directory from the disk. We can use the os.rmdir method with the directory name in parenthesis. The folder or directory is present in the same path. When executed, we get an error message as the directory is not empty. A folder can be deleted using rmdir method only when it's empty, means without having any type of files inside. Deleting the single CSV file present manually. Executing the program again. This time the error is not thrown and the directory tmp file has been removed from the hard disk. So, this is how we delete any file or folder in Python.